Introduce highlight features or overview summary of TECXERLLON 15,000 BTU portable air conditioners. That's include. Stay cool and comfortable year-round with the TECXERLLON 15,000 BTU portable window air conditioner. Designed to efficiently cool spaces up to 800 square feet, this unit features a high-performance rotary compressor for faster cooling and better energy savings. Its wide temperature control range from 61 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit ensures customizable comfort for your living room, bedroom, or office. This 4-in-1 appliance offers cooling, dehumidifying, fan, and sleep modes, delivering versatile climate control in one sleek unit. The dehumidifier removes up to 100 pints of moisture per day, while the fan ensures continuous air circulation, and the sleep mode keeps things whisper quiet at night. Equipped with a self-evaporating system, this portable AC minimizes the need for frequent drainage. For extended use in high humidity or low temperature conditions, a drain hose is included. Additional features include a 24-hour timer, automatic temperature adjustments for undisturbed sleep, an adjustable airflow direction, 15 to 75 degrees, with 3 fan speeds reaching up to 350 CFM. It's designed for convenience, with 360 degrees wheels, hidden handles, and a complete window installation kit, making setup quick and hassle-free. Whether for your home or office, the TECXERLLON portable AC delivers powerful, reliable, and eco-friendly cooling on demand. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.